BDNF and GDNF, brain-derived neurofactor, and glial cell line-derived factor, respectively, are responsible for neuron health and growth and repair. BDNF is a member of the Neurotrophic family and is of growth factors and is involved in the growth and maintenance of neurons. It promotes the development of neurons and growth of new synapses. BDNF has been linked to memory, mood regulation, and neuroplasticity. GDNF, on the other hand, is a member of the transforming growth factor beta superfamily, primarily produced by glial cells. It promotes the survival of dopaminergic neurons, which are implicated in Parkinson's disease. Dopamine is responsible for movement and motivation. In the book, The Brain's Way of Healing, the author Norman Deutsch explores how exercise promotes the secretion of such growth factors and the implications for Parkinson's. The book's available in the description. To conclude, BDNF and GDNF are two types of protein that play an important role in the growth, survival, and function of neurons in the brain.